Hey everybody, it's Anna from Palmstreet. Let's kick things off with a quick look at a powerful new feature for our sellers, vacation mode. At Palmstreet, we understand that running a shop is a 24/7 commitment, but life happens, whether it's a family trip, personal emergencies, or just the need for a break. That's why we're introducing the much anticipated and asked for vacation mode, a simple and effective way for sellers to pause shop activity without stress. Vacation mode gives sellers peace of mind and control, ensuring their shop reputation stays protected while they recharge. It's another way Palmstreet is putting seller well-being and flexibility front and center. Let's take a closer look at how it works. Hot tips. Vacation mode is a great feature allowing you to temporarily close your shop while you are away. Before we dive into how to activate vacation mode, let's talk about a few smart strategies you can keep in mind for when you're preparing to step away from your shop. First, start mentioning the upcoming break in your live streams before you go. These quick reminders make sure loyal followers aren't caught off guard. You can drop a reminder in the show notes section during live shows leading up to the break. Something like, "Heads up, going on vacation soon." Keep it front and center without interrupting the flow. It's super helpful to update your Palmstreet profile bio in advance with a short message like, "Shop will be on pause from," and give some dates. It sets the right expectations for anyone browsing their page. Finally, once you're back, it's important not to forget to turn your vacation mode off so your shop becomes visible and shoppable again. These tips will help you set the tone early, stay transparent with your audience, and come back ready to re-engage. Let's look at how to turn it on. The first thing you're going to want to do is click the settings button. This is going to be in the upper right corner of your screen, just like this. From there, we're going to scroll down and tap Shop Policies. This is where you'll find all the controls for how your shop appears and operates. Once inside the Shop Policies section, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. That's where you'll see the toggle for vacation mode. Go ahead and switch it on. When it's turned on, you'll see it green. Once you have switched it on, a text box will appear where you can enter any custom message you want your buyers to see while you're away. This could include your return date, any shop helpful info, or anything along those lines. After that, make sure you click Save. Then you're simply going to exit out of the settings. You'll notice a vacation mode banner appears right on your shop profile. This lets your visitors know you're taking a break. And when you're back, don't forget to head back into the shop policies and toggle that vacation mode off so your listings become active again. It's quick, easy, and gives you the flexibility to step away while keeping your shop reputation intact. When vacation mode is turned on and a buyer tries to make a purchase, they'll be met with a clear message letting them know that the seller is currently on a break. Instead of being able to add the item to their cart or check out, they'll see a notification that the shop is temporarily unavailable due to vacation mode being active. This helps avoid any confusion or frustration and sets clear expectations up front. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had today about vacation mode. Thanks for watching.